Alright guys, we're up on the platform here to create history. So, from when you hear the voice,
I see the face.
you don't know a Chef Reid
And Chef Alexander here.
So, you don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to check the description already. I'm going to check the title too. So here what I'm going to do now. Like while watching.
To the end, no stopping.
Subscribe while you're at it.
Drop a comment, don't forget it.
Take in the intro.
We're so forward.
We're so forward.
Welcome back, guys. So from you see the title, you know what we are going to do today. Another ackee dish. I'm going to jump in at the ingredients them. Tomatoes or green bell peppers, onion, garlic, mother seasoning, salt and pepper, and our ackee. Yes, guys, we already cleaned this. Look at it. Clean. You notice you now see the white thing, the black thing anymore. That's called the head. Yeah, guys, so I could just jump right in at this. I will get this in the boiling water. Straight at it. Yeah, guys, so we're going to just add some salt and pepper. Because you don't know, everything we do, we must have flavor and taste. So we're going to add ackee now. And we'll cook this for 3 to 5 minutes. You can always check for tenderness. Yeah, guys, so plain and simple, that is it. We don't want the ackees to be overcooked. We want it firm and al dente at this point. Because remember, it's going to undergo more cooking. So firm and al dente, 3 to 5 minutes. Give it a check. We're so forward.
So forward, guys. Take her in. I'm telling you about her, you know. I want to go over the Instagram, guys. I want to follow. Yes, guys. Chef_Reid_. You know the thing, guys.
Yes, guys. And Chef_Alexander_1. Our link is in the description down below. So just check it out. Follow it. Pictures will be posted over there. We're so forward.
So forward.
Yeah, guys. So we're going to give this a check right now. Look at that. See that? Yeah, guys. We don't want it no firmer than... You know about firmer. No softer than that, guys. That is exactly how we want it. So we're going to just strain this and get on with the next step, right? So we're so forward.
Yeah, guys. The quesadilla, yeah. I got epic. EPIC. The one here I got monumental. Guys, you don't need to document this. I'm telling you about Chef Alexander. Alright, you know just watch what I want.
But guys, let me ask you a question. You ever hear about Ackee Quesadilla? Chef Reid and Chef Alexander first, you know, see something. To some viewers it might seem weird, but then again, it's just pure creativity. So just watch what I go on, guys.
Yeah, guys, and remember it's completely vegan. So we'll move on to the next step now. So we catch you now at that point.
Yeah, guys.
So forward.
Yeah, guys, you see we pot at the right temperature like how we want it. So we're gonna just add our garlic. See that? Ready, you know, guys. So see we rest our seasoning. The tomato, we're gonna add you in. Onion, go in same time. Our bell pepper, right in. One go, guys. Everything, one go.
Jamaican term.
Yeah, guys, one go.
Beautiful.
Look at the colors, guys. You don't know Chef Alexander all about color already. Look at that. That more yellow. That red, you have that green, and you have that white, guys. Nice. The aroma, guys. Oh, I forgot to tell you about that. Tell them, Chef Reid.
It's like a perfume to the kitchen.
Yeah, guys. So you don't know we're going to add our ackee right now. Yeah, guys. You don't know how that go. Get it all in there, guys. Cut that. beautiful. The aroma, guys, is so amazing.
No joke. The one epic. EPIC.
Epic. So I'm going to add some salt and pepper. You know, Chef Reid, you use from high, evenly spread. Yeah, guys. Now about Chef Reid talk today. That's about it. Get it in there, guys.
And remember, guys, we're going to use no cheese in this. Completely vegan. You see me? So we just have to add the coconut milk and then you know what go on. It's a go epic. Epic. Hey, we can't explain. Words can't explain right now, guys. Just take it in. Get a close on it. You got the butter sizzle? Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So we will just add the coconut milk. Got that, man. Yes, guys. What you know about this? Guys, what you know about this? Egg.
You should have to smell this right now, guys. That one is not normal. Telling you know. Alright, so we're going to catch you in the back. When this come to the simmer there, and we're going to remove it. I'm going to talk too much. You know, watch the video.
Yeah, guys. Just stay tuned and watch what I'm going.
We're soon forward.
Soon forward.
Yeah, guys, we're there again. So, let's see what I'm going now.
Ready, this ready, you know, guys. Ready, this ready.
This is the consistency that we want to achieve. Take a closer look.
Yeah,
take
guys.
it.
Tell me the taste where you think I will come from this, guys. Just comment down below. And you see if you're there and you're not subscribe, subscribe now. Click that notification bell so you never miss any banger upload.
And click all, guys. Remember, click all. Anyway, we are move on to the next step, guys. Because we're going to remove this from the heat and get on with the wrap. So, watch what I go on. Don't go nowhere. If you're a drinker, get a special.
Yeah, guys. So, we have a pot of grease. So, now we are going to add a wrap, guys. And you don't know, want this crisp, right? Yeah, guys. So, we're going to just add in some of our ackee right now. You see it?
Take it in, guys.
Look at that. And we are going to add a generous amount, right?
Yeah, because we don't add too much. Just enough. Yes, guys, that looks like it. Because we want the wrap can close.
We want it close properly, though.
As you can see, it's very small.
It's a small wrap we have. So we're going to add a little tomato right there. We're going to add some bell peppers. Top this off right there.
Wow, look at that, guys.
And a little bit of onion. The colors again, guys. Ready? So we're going to just give this a close. Look at that. Nice, right?
Nice, coming together nicely, right? Just slightly pat it, guys, like what I see she's doing right now. Remember, we're not using no cheese in this, guys. Completely vegan. We were thinking about making some mozzarella cheese, guys, but
vegan, bear that in mind.
Time kind of ketchup, so we just work it like this.
Yes, guys.
Different. Alright, so I'm going to catch it, Jeff. So we give this 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So we're going to catch it back when we give this a turn.
Yeah, guys. So just watch what I go on. Something wrong with the video? Yeah, something wrong with the video because you don't like it, you don't subscribe yet, you don't drop that banger comment there yet, so I give you 1 minute to do that. Supposed to do that now? Alright, we could get into the video. Alright guys, you are going to get with the turn, right? We don't want this break. Whoop. Perfect. Look at that. Yes, guys.
Beautiful.
So we're going to give this 2 to 3 minutes back on this side and we're going to see you now with removal time.
Oh.
Yeah, guys. So just drop your banger comments down below. like the video if you don't like it yet, and comment quesadilla if you reach this far. Alright?
Yeah, guys, give it a comment there where we can pin. So, we're soon forward again.
So forward. Yeah, guys, so we don't tell you what time it is. Removal time, guys. Look at that. The beauty, man. So, ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers to spam up the comment section. Plating time.
Yeah, guys, so watch what I go on. Tell them about her, you know. Alright. Yeah, guys, so watch what I go on from on the city plate.
You don't know what time it is, guys. So just spam up the comment section. Drop your comments right now. Me I gotta just get right into this.
Take her in.
Right there some more on that, guys. Pan it. Right there so. Ready up with the next one. Right there. Yeah, guys, this simple and different, right? Next one again. Comment down below and make me know, guys. How you doing today? Right in a garnish me I go, you know. What do you think about him right there, so?
Tell them about her, now, guys. And take her in. Take her in.
One round this so. When I think him for go right this so, that's how me I make him stay, you know. I'm not going like him now go when I want him to go so. Right this so I want you. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna just top this off. Last but not least, a little drizzle. Alright. Yes, guys.
Tell them about her, you know, guys. Now, from where they may tell them about her. I want to know, go for her Instagram. Follow her on the Instagram and like up our post them, guys. Because everything we video you saw, we post it over our Instagram. You can check we out, guys. Both Chef Reid and Chef Alexander, guys, on the over there.
Yeah, guys, and drop the banger comment when you know dead here make you know see a YouTube when you come from. Yeah, cut that. Good one rotation though. And that Ackee, guys, nice and filling, right? So, me I go just leave you know with a bang. Until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.